Oh. Whoa. Heel. Whoa. Heel. Heel. There's nothing. Now we're gonna get close here. Easy. Easy.
Nice.
Easy.
I'm just gonna stay back here because I think it's gonna swing around.
Whoa.
Okay.
Easy. Whoa. Whoa.
I'm ready. Oh, right to my. I hit it twice. It's right on the road.
Yep. We'll go across and get it. We'll let that car go back.
I hit it both times.
You dusted it 3 times.
Feathers are piling out of it. I'm like, how can it keep going? That's a tough bird, Ed. Holy smokes. We'll get it, Willow, huh? Granddaddy got that one, but...
We'll go up this way, cut in a little.
Yep. Where the other one was. Good girl, Willow. We got a dead bird up here, Willow. Well, I couldn't believe after I fired the second shot, it just didn't drop. I'm like, am I seeing things? Feathers are just pummeling out of a thing.
So I feel Rod Jensen, I've helped him over a time.
Yep.
Yeah. And again, I'm not meant to saying this to spout off.
Oh, I
just love to have you shoot my birds because he said, these other guys, oh yeah, they'll hit them, they'll hit them. And if we put out a dozen freaking birds, it's lucky if we get 3.
Oh, Lord,
I
yeah.
go out with you with 12, we come back with 12 most of the time.
Yeah.
And I said, well, it's not that difficult. No, did it skid her across? I think it did. Okay.
I think it did too, but I'm not positive.
Okay,
Just gonna make this gun safe.
Come on. Hey, well, let's go. Well, this one's not gonna fly.
Huh?
This one's not gonna fly.
Oh, God, I wouldn't think so. Oh.
Good. Right here. Come. Good. That way. Hey. One more. Hey. Come on. Bring it here. Right there. Here. Bring it here. Come. Good job. That way. That's good.